Hi, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to another wonderful video. Today we are going to harvesting our potato. So today I'm going to introduce my son Qazi Ahmed, and he always helped me a lot. My gardening and everything like gardening stuff. He always helped me a lot. Today my son going to harvesting our potato.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everybody. So today we're gonna harvest some potatoes in here. We planted this potato thing for like 2 months ago. So it's been 2 months obviously, and we only planted one potato. So today we're about to reveal how many more potatoes are in there. And over here there's like there's like 4 pots here full of potatoes. We're probably gonna check that later. All right guys, let's see what's in here. Let's see how many more potatoes we have in here. Let's go. So
How many potato you got, Siam?
so far I dumped like 4 buckets of these in here, and so far I'm seeing a lot. Yeah, so you check it out. There's one here, 2. see there's a lot in here.
Very small size, eh?
Yeah, very small, but it's still a lot. Like this one here, it's pretty big. You know, this is huge.
Okay.
You see, this is pretty big too. This is like medium size. I think there's more. Yeah, this is more.